Welcome to another episode of Travel Guru TV, TGTV. And today is our second time staying at, actually, it's our third time staying at the Hampton Inn, Beckley, West Virginia. And we are in room 206. Let me give you guys a quick tour, as we usually do. As a Hilton Honors Gold member, I was basically offered the second floor. I don't know, she offered me a whole bunch of different floors and different options. I didn't even realize that you could actually go online yourself and choose your own room, which is very interesting. So next time I might try to do that. So long story short, room number 206, 2 queen beds, Hampton Inn, Beckley. Customer service, check-in experience was good. Nothing spectacular or crazy above and beyond customer service, but it was it was good. It was a good check-in experience. I was able to check in early, which is always greatly appreciated. Here are my views. So yeah, early check-in is always greatly appreciated. I got my Hilton Honors Gold snack bag and water bottles, which is always appreciated as well. Okay, so here you got microwave. That's interesting stains. And got a fridge here. Yeah, everything's pretty clean. So generally speaking, I'm a fan of Hampton Inns in the US. In most of Canada as well. North America. So yeah, this is a standard Hampton Inn. It's I would say an older property, not too old, but it's been around. The pool is closed, unfortunately. We're in end of October, so I cannot show you guys the pool. They have laundry facility here, which is great, so you can do your own laundry. And what else? They have a water dispenser for drinking water, which is nice. They always have free cookies available at check-in. They had some apples and some bananas available this morning. Complimentary breakfast, which I haven't been able to take advantage of. That will take place tomorrow. Other than that, let me let me know what your experience is or has been with Hampton Inns. Have you stayed at the Hampton Inn in Beckley, West Virginia before? Let me know. If there's any hacks, tricks, I'd love to hear about them. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Peace.